Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to load paper to Canon Pixma 3650S. Let's go. First, let's take a look at this panel that might be confusing. It allows you to switch between A4 plain paper and 4 by 6 inches photo paper, and it's absolutely useless because of course this printer is capable of printing on other paper sizes, A5, letter, and so on. So let's just believe when you print in documents you need to switch to A4, and when you print in photos switch to photo paper, and you can set paper size and type in printing application. That's how it works. Next, let's open the paper tray. It's behind this door, so just open it. This is the output tray, so leave it closed. So far, you can see paper guides inside. You can easily move them closer together or spread apart. So to load paper, just spread the paper guides apart a little bit wider than your paper stack width, and input the paper stack and push it towards the printer until it meets an obstacle, and then align with the paper guides. But do not press on the paper too much, just you can even leave about 0.5 millimeters of space. And do not overload the paper tray. Leave about 1 millimeter gap between the top edge of the paper guide and the top sheet in your stack. Accordingly, if you want to load 4 by 6 photo paper, just move paper guides closer to each other like this and insert the photo paper, push it until it meets an obstacle, and align with paper guides like this, and the printer is ready. To avoid paper jams, do not load even a little bit wrinkled, torn, or damp paper, and do not use the paper that is not recommended for this printer by manufacturer. And that's pretty it for today, guys. I hope this was helpful. If yes, support our channel with your subscription and like, and see you in the next videos. Be awesome. Bye, guys.